This is just the potatoes I bought from the store from Aldi's. And they were growing eyes in the closet. So while I was peeling them, I you know, threw in the eyes of the potatoes. The beginning of summer, and there you go now.
So these are from the peels.
I figured, what the hell? I'm just threw them in there like I always do every year. And I hate to waste that thing, and then that's what you get. I mean, I didn't go over there yet, but then the damn dog attacked the bucket. I did that yesterday.
Potatoes.
I did this at the last minute too. See, I took peels and I just threw them in here. You get some, you don't get some. Look.
That's crazy. From just a peel, you get a
Oh
whole
yeah,
potato.
from that.
Yeah,
Get
yeah,
that.
show how
Ah,
it goes
from the fucking ant.
goes from peel to potato.
I didn't get out there because of the freaking groundhogs. I take a chance and put it up here. The rabbits and the freaking groundhogs start freaking. This is because I didn't trim these back. Gotta trim them back. And I feel like it. It's like really in there. I have to take like a big old shovel. It smells like shit. Okay. Clean them and just fry them up with some butter. It tastes good. Oh, look at the corn. One little corn. Who's eating that? What's in there? I should dump it, but I don't want to. My back is killing me. Oh, I dropped one. Ow, my wrist. Freaking dirt. Potato.
It's purple.
Oh, that was one of the red ones I threw in there.
I guess we're eating it now.
Yes, we are. We're going to eat them all. What do you think we're going to be eating tonight?